AirAsia plane suffers washing machine fault. A passenger on board an AirAsia X plane has filmed it shaking like a washing machine after suffering a technical fault. Flight D7237 was forced to turn back to Perth after taking off for Malaysia just before 7 o'clock local time, 00:00 BST, on Sunday. Water police said emergency services north of Perth were put on standby for a possible water landing. A number of passengers told ABC News the plane suffered an engine seizure. AirAsia X said only that it was a technical issue.